Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. SLP has broken out another long-term channel, and this time the pump can be really harder. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and let me show you first this daily time frame chart. And you can see the price line has broken out this channel after 4th of November. On 4th of November it was entered here, and if I place this measurement tool, then we can see on this candlestick we have broken out this channel. So almost 94 days, after 94 days, the price line has broken out this resistance of the channel. And the more important thing, that there is not any bearish divergence or a hidden bearish divergence on the chart. If we take a look at the RSI, then it is forming higher than previous high. And if we take a look at the price line, then it is also forming another higher than previous high. So there is not any hidden bearish divergence, and the price line and RSI, the oscillator, are quite synchronized. And if we take a look at the exponential moving averages with the time period of 10, the blue line, and 21, the red line, then we have broken out all these two moving averages as well. And we are going to receive a bull cross. Like this blue line is going to cross this red line. That will be a very, very nice buying signal. Previously, we received this buying signal here. This blue line crossed up this red line here on 4th of November when we entered the channel, but we were rejected by this resistance. This time we are out of the resistance, therefore it is possible that the price line will use these two EMAs as a support for the next rally. Like before this cross, we received the previous cross here, and we had a nice short rally. If I place this measurement tool after this cross, we had more than 210% powerful rally. So this time we can expect another rally, but this time we have also broken out the resistance of the channel. Therefore, the move can be bigger one, and especially when the Bitcoin has already broken out a channel. Therefore, there will be a really, really high probability that SLP will continue its move towards the upside. But there is another resistance that SLP is facing right now. If we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see previously SLP found another resistance, and that was here. Then we had a rejection. Then we had another rejection here. Then we had few more rejections here. And if I connect all these rejections, then we can see that right now SLP has reached this resistance level as well. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that SLP is clearly rejected by this resistance. So we need to also break out this resistance as well. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this resistance line, SLP can reach 6 cents. That is the key resistance zone for the price line, because previously when we had this drop, we found a very firm support at 6 cents. If I place a trend line here at 6 cents, then we can observe that for how many days the price line has been using this. Now it is working as a resistance, but at that time it was working as a very, very strong support. We had a bounce here, and few bounces here as well. By the way, this is the weekly time frame, and if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see we have so many touch points here. We had bounce here, we had 1, 2 bounce here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 bounces here. Then again, we had few more bounces, and we had some accumulation here, but the price line finally broke it down and formed another down channel. And right now we have broken out this channel, but this resistance line is still in play, and we need to break it out. And after this breakout, the imminent move can be expected up to 6 cents. And if the price line breaks out 6 cents resistance level, then it can start a very, very big and long-term rally from here. Now, if from here we switch to the hourly time frame chart, then here price line is forming a descending triangle. We have a support here, and we also have a resistance here with few touch points. And you can see that the movement of the price line is getting more and more squeezed between the resistance and support of this descending triangle. And for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then the imminent move can be approximately at 2.5 cents. And if it will be breaking down the support, then it can move back down to 1.5 cents. And here we have a short-term support here. You can see that the price line found a support previously here on 7th of Feb. And if price line breaks it out, and then it can cross up 2 cents resistance. We have, if we watch here, after placing the trend line, then we can see that we have this resistance here at approximately 2.15 cents, and the price line is also getting rejected by this resistance as well. And you can see we got rejected here. We got 2 rejections here as well. Right now we are struggling to break out also this price level resistance as well with this trend line resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.